How's it going, guys? Do you have a Lenovo that is pre-built and you just bought it and you're having internet connection problems that you don't understand why? So what happened to me was that when I bought my PC, all of a sudden my internet connection started dropping. So I started calling, different companies like my network companies, and they were saying that they can't find any problems. So they said it must be your card, like your motherboard or something like that. Okay. So I called the provider that provided me the PC, the pre-built Lenovo, and they said that, yeah, it could be that problem. We're gonna start measuring now. I want to show you guys what happens. So as you can see here now, this is pretty bad. Pretty bad. It's not supposed to be looking like that. As you can see here, this happened to me yesterday many times because I tested it out many times with the same program. I started it up, I closed it down. Started it up, I closed it down. We move this away. And let's just stop this and turn DaVinci off. Then we go back. You just gotta wait for a few seconds. And now, as you can see, I turned it, the program is off. It's turned off, but this is just for Lenovo's. Probably should have started with that. I don't know for others, how it is for others, but for Lenovo, this seemed to work for me. So you saw now that I used the DaVinci Resolve and my internet dropped. Turned it off, it's up again, all right? So you should have a little L down here. Go to Lenovo Vantage. So when you open Lenovo Vantage, this thing is gonna be ticked on. When you buy the pre-built Lenovo Vantage, this comes as ticked on, like by default. This is just on. Network boost will just be turned on. So what you need to do is go down there, open this up, turn network boost off. And the thing is, it feels like it kind of, the question that I'm having is though, how can it be like, I mean, DaVinci Resolve does not need any internet connection to actually work. But I think that it sometimes recognizes DaVinci Resolve as a game and not as a software you use for editing videos. And I think that when it realized that you turn on a game, is trying to, the thing is, I don't know the depth of its why, but the thing that I know is that when I turned this off, ever since then, it's been working. Everything's been working fine. I've had no issues whatsoever with anything. So give it a try, guys. I can't guarantee that it will work for you, but give it a try. It's better than, sitting on the phone for hours trying to find out an issue that isn't an issue that no one can help you with. So maybe this will help you out, and if it does, then I'm happy that you don't have to go through that struggle, banging your head against the wall. Yeah. Now you turn that off. Let us try again now. Let's turn this down. Let's open DaVinci Resolve. Just play through it, all right? Now we have it on. It's playing, as you can see in the background. Let's do a measurement now. As you can see, it still goes, way above where it, I heard that it could happen to games too. It's not only locked onto Resolve. I think that if you use like games like PUBG or Warzone, a game that requires you to have internet connection. But as I said, this is for the Lenovo. I can't speak for any other PCs or anything, and this is what I got is from a Reddit. This is not, I did not solve this. Someone else in a Reddit page, what I read, solved this. I'm just putting it on YouTube because I feel like people, when they're looking for something to, fix something, they go to YouTube first. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this, I guess you could just leave a like or, comment down below. Have a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.